Is your keyboard not responding correctly, missing keystrokes, or acting strangely? Updating the keyboard driver may help fix the problem. In this guide, I'll show you how to update it using Device Manager. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results. Once it opens, find Keyboards and expand the category. You'll usually see your keyboard listed here. Right-click the keyboard device and select Update Driver. If you see more than one entry, make sure you're selecting the correct keyboard. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for a compatible driver and install it if one is available. Follow any instructions that appear on screen. If Device Manager says the best driver is already installed, check Windows Update. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and choose Check for updates. Also check Optional Updates for available driver updates. If the keyboard still isn't working correctly, you can reinstall its driver. Right-click the device, select Uninstall Device, confirm the removal, and restart your PC. Windows may automatically reinstall the keyboard driver. If the keyboard doesn't appear after restarting, open Device Manager and select Action, then scan for hardware changes. Windows will search for connected hardware and refresh the device list. Now test several keys to make sure the keyboard is responding normally. If possible, try another USB port for an external keyboard. If the issue continues, the problem could be related to the keyboard itself, and that's how to update a keyboard driver in Device Manager. Start with the automatic search, check Windows Update, and reinstall the driver if needed. So test the keyboard after each change to see if the problem is resolved.